Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Resident Evil 2 crash on PC. This tutorial will be quick. Just don't forget to subscribe and comment down below if this worked for you. Now you want to open up your task manager, and on task manager you want to end any processes related to Resident Evil 2. So you just can search here if you want to, or just find it here. So for me it would be like Xbox, and if you are using Resident Evil on Steam, then you want to end Steam client. Now after that you also want to check your NVIDIA drivers if you're using NVIDIA, or AMD if you're using AMD. Just go to NVIDIA app, go to drivers and see if there's update available, and just download any updates. Now if this problem has appeared when you installed NVIDIA drivers freshly, it may be also the problem with the new drivers. They may be incompatible with Resident Evil 2, so you want to reinstall the older ones, the older NVIDIA drivers. You will find them on their website. Now you want to go ahead and browse the files and change the Direct 11 to Direct 12. So for me it would be on Xbox, and on Xbox for me it would be three dots, manage, files, and browse. It's basically the same on Steam. So on Steam you would go, for example, here, manage and browse local files, and it will open up the same location basically. Then you're gonna find a Resident Evil 2, open up content, and you want to go ahead and find Resident Evil 2 config. And there's sometimes another file named with config default, so you want to go ahead and edit it too, but basically you want to edit this in Notepad. And once you will open this up, you will see that there is target platform. For me it's already DirectX 12, but if there is 11 for you, you want to change it to 12, just like so. Then click exit and save. Now if the problem still persists on the same config Notepad, you want to go ahead and find render config, and under it you will see PC window mode. So on PC window mode you want to make sure that it is set to 1. It makes the game full screen, and if it's not, if it's 0 for you, and once it's set to 1, you again want to exit and save. Now, if after that the problem still persists, if you're using Steam, then you're gonna go ahead and run it as administrator and launch the game. If that will not fix the problem, you want to go ahead and open up Steam exe file. So I'm just gonna open file location again, and Steam exe file, you want to go to properties, and you want to go ahead and run this program Windows 8, disable full screen, and of course if that this will be also ticked on, and then apply and OK. You want to go ahead and try to do that. You can also go ahead on Steam and open up properties and install files and verify integrity of the game files. Of course, do this with Resident Evil, and you can also do the same on Xbox if you're using Xbox. And then you're gonna find it here again, three dots, manage, files, and verify and repair. So after you've done all of that, you want to restart your PC and see if the problem was fixed. If this problem was fixed, comment down below, and I will see you next time. Bye.